In this video, I will show you how you can make a traditional Danish summer soup in only 5 minutes. I will pin the complete recipe, a QR code and a link to the complete recipe in the end of this video. The first ingredient you need is real authentic Greek yogurt, and you need 300 grams. Then you need 85 grams of sugar. And then you need 30 grams of vanilla sugar. And the last and most important ingredient is 830 grams of buttermilk. And then you need a large whisk tool. Let's go. First we add the sugar. Both the white sugar and the vanilla sugar. And we whisk everything together. Like this. And now we add the buttermilk. And we whisk everything carefully together. This takes no time at all. So no need for fancy equipment or fancy ingredients. You can get this in your local store. Make sure to buy quality products. It's a good idea to buy products that are without any food additives. And of course, you can also make a vegan version. But this one is actually better tasting. So, ready to go. This is the final dish. It looks like this. The only thing we have to add now are the kammerjunkers. Now the kammerjunkers are cooled down, ready to go into the Koldskål. Here we have the soup, which is cold now, and we add some of these. You can also add fresh fruit instead, but kammerjunkers are the traditional way. And you can also break them. Very, very crispy and soft inside. They absorb the fluid, but still stay crispy. And that's the point. You're ready to go. Now it is once again tasting time at Nemmersen.com. And you can also add some fresh raspberries. Tastes great. And looks great too. Delicious. And so easy to make. Protein rich, full of nutrients, gluten-free. Perfect summer dish. Enjoy!